Hi, welcome to the Jenna Lee Show. I'm Jenny Long.
And I'm Celie Clark.
And we are
Jenna Lee.
We have something really exciting for you today. Are you interested in learning how to use TouchCast or any other green screen app?
Learn that and more on the Jenna Lee Show.
Okay, welcome back. Rhonda, can you hear us?
We can hear you.
Okay,
Yay.
so we have something really exciting today. This is the first time that we've done this. So we are Skyping with my friend Rhonda Shaver, who is in Bristol, Tennessee. She is a second grade teacher with Bristol City Schools. And she reached out to us and wanted to know how to use a green screen app with her students. And so we suggested TouchCast, and we're going to show her how to use it today. So, Rhonda, tell us a little bit about the project that you're doing with your students and exactly what you're trying to achieve.
Okay, so we are doing a social studies unit on economics, and so my students are doing a project-based learning. They're having a great experience with that. They have had to create everything from a budget to a product that they want to sell, and what their goal is to raise money for an outdoor classroom for our school. So in the process, they're creating a logo and they're doing lots of different things, but they're going to do a commercial to advertise their product to try to sell what they are making. So we want to use a green screen to create the commercial.
That's awesome.
So much fun.
Awesome.
I want to do this.
All right, so TouchCast is the app that we've suggested. It's free. So Rhonda has already gone ahead and downloaded the app, and she created an account. We also recommend having a YouTube account so that you can export your videos straight to YouTube, and then you can make a playlist and share those out as well. You probably want to have some green fabric or paper of some sort. You can see ours back here. It's
So
lovely.
fancy.
We have a really large one, but it's real heavy and it takes a lot to hang it up. But we really just have felt. We kind of piece together. We have different strips of fabric.
It doesn't have to be the same shade of green. It can be different colors. And TouchCast even has an option where you can use another color and you can change it. But it doesn't work near as good as green. For some reason, green is the color that isn't in everything, I think. But other colors that you choose tend to be in our faces or in our hair color, so it doesn't work as well.
Also, make sure your students don't wear green on the day that they're recording because they will just blend into their background. So they enjoy that, of course, but that doesn't come out real well. They like seeing just a bobbing head, but doesn't always come out great. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, I think, and Celie's going to share how to use the app and just kind of do an example so you can see. There's a few different things. You can add video in the background. You can pull in video. You can go straight to just Google search different images and just save the images to the camera roll. So that's something to think ahead about if you're using multiple iPads or you're going to use one iPad. Having the images ready.
Okay, so to get to TouchCast, you will need to download the TouchCast app, and it looks like this, TS, or TouchCast Studio. Once you get into the app, this will be our landing page, and these are all of the different options you have for creating a TouchCast. So you can start from scratch, you can annotate a website, a video, annotate images, a map, lots of options. One of our favorites is a news studio or talk show because it looks just like you're there with a green screen. For our example today, though, we're just going to be talking about using the green screen and VAPs. So we're going to start from scratch. Say hi, Jenny.
Hi.
So once you get into the program, at the bottom, you'll see all of your options. So you have live, camera, your recording button, effects, whiteboard tiles, and VAPs. We're going to add a VAP first. It's a really neat option. So I'm going to click the plus button, and these are all of the different pieces you can add into your video. Not only can you add them to your video, but they're interactive when you add them. So if I add a website, whenever the video is playing, if you click the website, it will actually go there and pause your video so that way you can explore the website. It's a really neat feature. You do have to, if you use VAPs, you do have to keep it within the TouchCast Studio for it to actually be interactive. If you export it to YouTube, it loses that interactability. So you want to make sure you keep it in TouchCast and share the TouchCast link. So I'm going to go ahead and add a website. You can see the one we have done in the past, but I'm going to go ahead and type it in so you can see how to add a website. So I'm going to put www.emsisd.com, click go, and here's our website. That's the site I want, so I'm going to click use in the top right corner, and then it pops into our video. You can move it around within the video just by clicking it. You can also resize it to whatever size you want it to be. So I'm going to put it right over here in the right. Ooh, yeah, let's do like a banner. That's kind of cool. I like it. Once you get your map, now we're going to show you how to add the green screen feature. So you can see our green screen behind us. If we click effects and then click green screen, it immediately turns black because it's active. So I'm going to click the photo button on the right hand side. And these are the stock photos they have available for you. Or I can click albums and even choose something from our camera roll. So Jenny is from...
So take me back to Tennessee. Let's click the red barn. And then I can be in the fields of Tennessee. Hold on.
Oh.
I gotta get way back here, right?
Yes.
Okay. So wait, you hold it. And
Oh, okay.
It's way too close.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm here in the field. And there's some farm and some cows.
Oh, look, I can move around for you.
Ta-da! Okay, so one note is to encourage your students not to wear green, because then if I had on a green shirt, I would be blending in with this green screen. So they think that's really fun because their head will just be bobbing around, but make sure they don't wear green.
So now we're going to show you how to add a video. So if you click video on the right hand side, here are the stock videos that they have available for you, or you can also enter a URL from YouTube. So if I click URL, I can also insert any video link there. We've done a tornado, rain, and sun for different weather activities that we've done with students, but that's a great option, so you can really customize it. But for today, I'm just going to show you one of their interactive ones. You can't see it until you actually record it and play it back. So Jenny, would you like to record a quick one here? I'll turn my camera around. So to turn your camera around, this is always a good question. You'll click camera at the bottom and then click swap.
Okay, so today we are going to be talking to you about events all around the globe, and we're going to start with right here in Eagle Mountain, Saginaw. So click the link and you can see all the latest happenings. We had a school board meeting, we have some exciting things happening in baseball and sports. So that's that.
Great job, Jenny. All right, so now to see our video, we can click done. All right, so here's our example video. If I click play, you can watch it.
Yes. Okay, so today we are going to be talking to you about events all around the globe, and we're going to start with right here in Eagle Mountain, Saginaw. So click the link and you can see all the latest happenings. We had a school board meeting, we have some exciting things happening.
So we probably need to redo it. And this happens in the classroom all the time, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to do it again, but this time I'm going to make sure the VAP is on the bottom underneath so her head does not get cut off. So let's try it one more time. So to start over, I'm just going to click add clip at the bottom, record in studio with camera. All right, are you ready, Jenny?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, today we are going to talk to you about all the things happening around the globe, but we are going to start with things happening local in Eagle Mountain, Saginaw. So click the link, which right here below, and you can check out our website.
Perfect! Yay! Okay, so we need to go back and delete the other video that we made. So I'm going to click done. And here are our 2 examples. This is the one that we messed up on, so we're going to click trash.
Yay, get rid of that one.
Maybe I have to be off. There we go. Delete
And
video.
delete.
All right, so now we're ready to send this video. So we're going to click Export TouchCast. And here are your options. So I'm going to title it. You can upload it to TouchCast, which will send it into your account. So if you have interactive VAPs, that's the option you want to do. Or you can upload it to YouTube, which for us, it's the easiest way and it allows us to make playlists and share it with our parents easily. So upload it to YouTube, click share, and then it will go into your YouTube playlist.
All right. That's pretty awesome.
All right.
Questions?
No, I will play with it a little bit, and then I probably will have some for you.
Okay, yeah, just get in there and play, and then let us know. It's super fun. It's super easy once you get in there and start figuring out. It's just figuring out when to turn the green screen on, flip the camera around, and then pull in those images. Have the images ready in the camera roll.
So the VAPs are fun, but they are, I usually don't start with that. So I just start with the green screen, and then if they want to go advanced, then I add the VAPs.
Okay.
But the kids love it whenever they can make interactive videos that way.
Okay, we'll probably start small and then add to that, so.
Okay, awesome.
This has been fun.
Yeah, we'll have to do this more often.
I know it.
All right. Well, anything else you can think of?
Not at the moment.
Okay, we'll just get in there and play and let us know. And we want to see some of your finished products when you get done
Show
too.
it to
Okay.
you. That'll be fun.
Okay.
All
If your kids have questions too, feel free. They can Skype us and we'll try and help troubleshoot.
Yeah, like when you're actually doing it too. You
Yeah.
could Skype us and we can
Oh, that would be
we can
great,
help them.
yeah.
Yeah, awesome. All right. Well, thanks, Rhonda. We appreciate it. And thanks, Andy, for troubleshooting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Granny.
Well, thanks for joining, everyone. Hopefully you will want to check out TouchCast and let us know if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help you. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.